Nothing. So Melly, I told you fun and food, right?
Fun and food.
So we're gonna get some food going.
Okay.
We have a lovely young chef that is coming out to do our very first recipe, rolling out our very first recipe. Her name is, I'm Joe.
Joe.
She is Zoe.
Oh, it's women. Just change the first initial.
You see our blue? You see our blue?
Yeah.
So she is Chef Zoe. This is Melly Rose, new soca artist. And Chef Zoe is a pastry chef. Her tag is Bella V, means beautiful life on social media. So go and follow her. She's a pastry chef and she's doing our very first recipe for us. What are you doing for us? Of course, it's all brought to you by the folks at Nature's Heart. New almond milk on the market. What are you doing for us, chef?
So today I'll be making some oatmeal muffins.
Oatmeal muffins.
Yeah. So let's start. We have some oatmeal.
That's regular old oatmeal.
And we have some baking powder.
Baking powder.
Spices. Cinnamon and cardamom.
No, Melly could cook it, so Melly going to try it.
I am so watching this so I can try it.
Salt for flavor.
Nice.
I will add a little bit of nutmeg, just in case, some fresh nutmeg. And we're going to give this a stir.
So that's your dry ingredients.
Now we're going for the wet ingredients. And here we have some butter. And we have bananas. So this here is your sweetness.
So I saw two textures of bananas there.
Right. So we crush
I'm
some.
very observant, so you know that.
We
right?
crush some and we have some cubes.
Right.
I like the texture and I am going to crack 2 eggs.
I always say that cracking eggs is a skill.
Yeah, it is. Cracking, yeah.
She just
cracks, yeah. You gotta crack some more eggs. Practice me cooking.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so.
Practice me
Yeah,
cooking.
you see?
Right. And we give this a stir. I like to add a little essence
Nice.
for extra flavor.
How much butter did you use?
Half of a cup.
And melted, melted in the microwave, yeah.
Right. So I'm going to add all the wet to the dry.
Right.
And just stir it up. So once you stir it up, you can add anything you like for flavor. And lastly, we're gonna add the almond milk. Now, with the almond milk, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup, up to half. You can average on this. Because the oats is going to soak all the moisture. If you choose to make this with flour, you have to increase your amount of almond milk because different flour can absorb different amount of liquid.
Got you.
Right? Now this is the fun part. I have almonds, chocolate chips, blueberries, raisins, and a little lemon. Lemon goes well with blueberries. So I'm going to add a little bit of all.
So it's like all the fun ingredients.
Right.
All the fun ingredients going.
Add flavor.
Yeah. Chocolate chips, almond.
I'm leaving back half to top the muffins for presentation because you want it to look nice, not only taste nice. And you give this a stir. This is gonna go in the muffin cups, 3/4 way full. And we're gonna use a spoon to fill this because you wanna control the amount to prevent overflowing. So we're gonna go like 3/4 way full, which should be about 2 spoons. And we're gonna top this muffin with all those garnishes we have there. So what do you like on your muffin?
Melly, your choice.
I love blueberries and chocolate chips.
Okay, so we'll do blueberries and chocolate chip.
Can I like have separate?
Yes.
Separate, yes. So I want blueberries and almonds.
Blueberries and almonds. Okay.
Yes,
So-
sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you add any amount you like.
Right. Bake this up for how long, chef?
It goes for about 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So here I have 2 sets. We have with flour and we have without flour. We have the gluten-free muffins and the regular ones is for those who want a heavier snack. So which one will you be having?
I'll give Melly the first choice.
Ooh,
You go with the flour?
no, actually.
No, I thought so.
Because now I'm in the gym.
Right.
So I'm
yeah.
like,
Yeah.
oh, this looks so
That's so
good.
good.
You
So
can
I-
have
So I'll do the flour.
Yeah.
I'll do
Am
the
I
flour.
allowed to eat it now?
Yes, that's what we do
Oh
on this
my
show.
God.
We really do cook and we really do eat. Yeah. Yeah.
How serious with the flour?
Even though it's sour, it's healthy. Because
Yes.
you mean it's some lovely ingredients in here. It's good. And I love blueberries, to be honest. I really do love
Yeah.
blueberries. Melly,
This is good.
appetite open. Chef Zoe, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thank you very,
you.
very much. That
Thank
was
you.
Chef Zoe, guys. Follow her at Bella V. That's BELLVIE. It means beautiful life with beautiful Zoe. Yeah? And Melly Rose is here with us, guys. Come on back. We are chatting, rolling out more recipes, fun and food right here on Cup of Joe. Roll Out a Recipe is brought to you by Nature's Heart.